Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Lucid. I haven't talked about them for a while. I've talked about them a couple times on the channel here in the past, and time for an update. They're having a pretty good day. Again, this is Lucid Group, ticker LCID, currently at $40.28. If I would have been watching this one earlier, I might have bought the dip there, but it looks like it pulled back and running back up again. Over the last year, could have got into this one at $10, had that nice run up back in February to 58, and kind of came down to the teens and 20s, $30 range, having a nice run up here to 55, and then pulled back again. So maybe keep watching this one. If it goes back down to the $20 mark, I'd pick up some shares, but don't know if it's going to make it there or not. Here in the last 3 months, up over 109%, so can't beat that. And here in the past month, that's actually down 10%. In the last week, it's down a little bit over 5%. Had a nice drop off there. And here's a look at today. So, found some articles and kind of see what's going on with this one. And if you don't know much about Lucid, it's in the EV, electric vehicles. It's a very nice luxury car. Found in 2007, a volume of 48 million, average volume of 82 million. $65.82 billion market cap, 52-week low of $9.90, and a high of $64.86. So, just think if you had an option on that from there to there, that would have been woohoo. That'd been a cha-ching right there. So, and next earnings expected on March 30th after hours. That seems like way out there, but. I have a little bit of Neo, ChargePoint, don't have any Fisker, and don't have any Rivian. Might need to look at those as well, but if you have any of those, go ahead and list it in the comments. So over here on Bing, showing Lucid as a buy, currently $40.02. Lucid Group Incorporated announces proposed convertible senior notes offering, and this is dated on the 8th, so a couple days ago. Announced its intention to offer, subject to market and other conditions, aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due 2026 in the private offering to persons reasonably believed to be qualified institutional buyers pursuant to the Rule 144A under Securities Act of 1933. So if you want to learn more about this, feel free to pause and go over the rest there. You can find this on Markets Insider. I'm not going to go over it totally in depth, but for those of you in Lucid, might be interested in this as well. Otherwise, you can go right to the source there. Lucid Group Incorporated, the price is $1.75 billion convertible senior notes offering, and this is dated on the 10th. So Friday announced the pricing of its $1.75 billion aggregate principal private offering of 1.25% convertible senior notes due by 2026 to qualified institutional buyers. And so again, some information here on Lucid. For those of you that are totally into Lucid, you can feel free to pause and go over the rest of that information. So Lucid estimates that the proceeds from the offering net expenses would be approximately million or approximately million in case additional purchases. So we'll see. Like I said, I haven't been watching Lucid that close for a while. Been interested in some solar stocks, trading those. Got into AT&T, trading that and buying some options, and kind of forgot about Lucid for a little bit. But Lucid to join prestigious Nasdaq-100 Index, and this is just dated on the 13th. So just 5 months after going public and less than 2 months after delivering its first vehicles, electric luxury automaker Lucid Group Incorporated is being added to the Nasdaq-100 Index. And feel free to subscribe, and you can go ahead and read more there. So, unfortunately, I'm not subscribed. So, Lucid Stock Group Incorporated charges higher on inclusion into the Nasdaq-100. And here's a little bit more information on that. Gained 3.96% during Monday's trading session. Lucid will officially be included into the Nasdaq-100 Index. Tesla tumbles on growth. Stock sell-off, Bitcoin slump. And Tesla has been down from about a little over 1,000 to 1,100. I think it was below 1,000 or 930 earlier. So, wish I would have sold it when it was 1,200 and bought back into it. But I just let it set and do its thing. So Lucid bounced back nicely on Monday after the stock was hammered last week on a pair of company announcements. Shares of Lucid gained 3.96% on Monday and closed the trading session at $39.15. After being beaten down by an SEC investigation and a $1.75 billion debt offering, Lucid was riding low coming into the week. And so I'll go ahead and link my other videos in the description, but just a beautiful car. They just make really nice vehicle, and we'll see if they give Tesla a run. But here's kind of some of the action that's been going on. $39.15 had the nice dip there. Over here on Reddit, so LCID puts to $100 before the new year. That's quite a run. Be careful, this looks like dead cat bounce. We shall see. Over here on the stock twits, currently at $40.30, a low of $9.88, high of $64.86. Tomorrow under 30. If that's the case, I might be buying some. So, price movement is not helping my calls. Can't wait for tomorrow when y'all wishing you bought at 40. Puppy Culo. Only green stuff for today. Can we see 44, please? So, over here on tip ranks, currently at $40.18, moderate buy, up with a 10.36% upside to $44.33, high of 60, low of 16. If you have any Lucid, go ahead and list that in the comments, along with your cost basis, any other information you'd care to share on Lucid, and anything else that would help us make some money. And again, I thank you for watching. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.